Hey, my friend DK here, CEO Infinity with myEcon. And if you're watching this video, chances are you're thinking about joining myEcon or you're looking for actual proof, real life documentation of what people are doing to get results in myEcon. Now, all know that the compensation plan in myEcon is absolutely incredible, but you might be asking yourself, okay, I understand that, but if I join a business opportunity, you need to know two specific things, okay? What do you got to do and how do you got to do it? And in the description down below this video, you'll see right under there, it'll have maybe a sentence or two, and then it'll say see more. You're going to open that up. You're going to see what's called the show notes or the description down below this video. In there, I'm going to leave you a link to this playlist right here. I recently created a playlist exclusively for people that are looking at myEcon here in 2025 saying, okay, I understand it's a business opportunity. I understand that maybe the compensation plan's great. You can make money from home, all of those great things. But what do you do and how do you do it? In this playlist right here, I'm going to show you real everyday people who joined myEcon, who specifically and exclusively joined my team because we give you over $10,000, actually $11,000 in 100% free value just for joining myEcon. Okay. So we're going to give you everything you need. That link is also in the description down below, not only to get started, but see my full tutorial and overview where I show you everything that you get access to for starting your myEcon business. Yes, all of the value, the sales funnels, the training, the automation, everything, content, you name it, we do it all for you. And we give you that for free just for getting started with myEcon. And I'm going to show you with this playlist right here, all of the people that are utilizing our system, but specifically for you. So you know and understand what are these people doing and how are they doing it. I'm going to show you their social media accounts, whether they're on TikTok or Facebook or YouTube. I'm going to show you their accounts, how they're posting, what they're posting, how they're creating that content, where they're getting that information from, the action that they're taking. And I'm going to show you golds, platinums, infinities with myEcon that have all joined our team recently and gotten very significant results using our proven method. So if you want to see this playlist right here, link in the description down below. You're going to be able to go and watch story after story after story after story of just everyday people like me and you who started their myEcon business, their journey right here in 2025 and are getting very significant results. And you can do the same. And when you check out that playlist, you're going to know, see, and understand once and for all yourself what people are doing and how they're doing it. I hope you get a lot from this playlist. If you're excited, do me a favor, leave a thumbs up on this video. And also, if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you know anytime I upload new content about myEcon or anything here on my channel, you will be the first to know. If you have any questions for me whatsoever, again, I am a CEO Infinity with myEcon. We have a very large, very fast growing team. What we do is proven and documented to work. I'm going to leave my phone number right at the top of this video. You can text me and ask me anything. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.